As far as maintenance goes, if you go to Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace Hardware, they'll have a garage door specific lubricant. Or if you go on Amazon, you get the same stuff we use, which is called Super Slick Stuff. Don't use WD-40; it's the worst thing for a door. And I don't recommend lithium or silicone, just because it can get tacky, gummy, and just to collect all the dust and dirt. You want to lubricate all your roller shafts, so you can spray right there in the side of that sleeve. Most of them have a straw, or you can turn this sleeve right here. There's a little split in it. You can just spray straight across it. You also want to lubricate the bearings inside your wheels. You don't have to do anything on the wheels themselves or the track itself, because it is a nylon roller. You also want to lubricate your pivot points on the hinges. That's where you get a lot of the creaks and groans out of a lot of the older doors. And then up above here, where the shaft sticks out, there is a bearing on the outside, just like on that side. You want to lubricate that. Then you want to spray full length of your spring. That's where you hear a lot of that clunk, clunk, clunk when a door first starts opening. On the other side of the spring, there's a bearing there as well. You want to lubricate it. And then again, all the pivot points on all the hinges in the center. I recommend doing the maintenance about every quarter. Just kind of keeps everything free moving. There is machine oil in your new door. I'd recommend doing the maintenance in about a month or two, and then every quarter after that. Other than that, that's pretty much all there is for maintenance.